It's not Monday, but it is a car vlog. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing on this fine Tuesday? At least here in where I'm at, just outside my little homely town of Pittman, New Jersey. It's another very cool, very dry, finally 66 degrees. And I'm heading to work. And I didn't do a car vlog yesterday. It's been a very interesting few days here. I'm out shopping for a car. That's what I'm doing. And it's quite stressful. You know, used to be, yeah, I like that car, just sign away, I'm driving home. No. As you all probably all know, at least here in the United States, I don't know about the rest of the world, probably the same, but it's like, things are ridiculous in price. Couldn't get my head into it. So why should I do a car vlog? I'm having a hard time getting into it today, but guess what? We gotta do one. There's things you gotta do. And one of them is car vlog. So, part of my interesting weekend, let's talk about tech, enough about me. Oh, by the way, coming across my channel for the first time, sorry about that. Let me turn on some air so at least get hot in here. First time to the channel, thank you very much. Consider subscribing. I do car vlogs twice a week, Monday and Fridays, borrowing from any major distractions. But if I don't do it, I will make it up. Forgot to turn on the music. So, tech-wise, let's talk about tech-wise. One thing I notice about shopping for cars is I'm not looking at a brand new car. I'm not looking at a recent used pre-owned so-called certified car. I'm looking at some 2011, 2012, 2013s because that's what the budget can afford. And man, oh man, the disparity in the technology that goes into cars today, you don't realize it. Yeah, you go and get in that new car recently, and hey, it's got Apple CarPlay, it's got Android Auto, it's got this, it's got that. It don't have CD players. Well, the cars I'm looking at, I'm finding USB connectors. There's one vehicle, I haven't purchased one yet, but there's one in the running, and that one has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so you could access auxiliary. Yeah, okay. So that was you know, I have to admit though, I think the automotive world caught on quicker than I thought, because I looked at some other cars and there were some had that. Chrysler, I looked at a Jeep, man, Chrysler's was like, no, we're not getting into it right away. And there were a few other vehicles that were, you know, 2014, 2015, I started coming across some form of Android Auto in their vehicles. And then Chrysler at that same era, no, they didn't. My wife's cousin has a 2015 Charger, and I thought, oh man, this car's got to have it. No, it don't have Android Auto. You know, it has more of a proprietary, their own music audio interface thingy. So that was interesting. Oneplus 6 was in my hand for a good part of the weekend. My friend Tom, as I reported in one of my vlogs, Tom's phone number 2 in about 5 weeks time, a second phone that did not want to receive calls anymore. It just blanked out. It forgot how. Send a call right to voicemail. And you know, I tried every trick without wiping it clean, but I had to. And the factory wipe completely changed the phone for the good. Number one thing I noticed was voice over LTE little moniker showed up. And just the overall performance, and it was smooth. It was smooth before, but man, it seemed it got butter. It got buttery smooth. And I did somewhere here, I'll try and edit that in. I'll put a link in there. I did a quick short because man, that is such a nice phone. And to talk about a phone that was 2018, I got that phone. That was my phone. And as me being a tech nerd and lover of tech, would like to help people out wherever I can to get them something that I think would suit their needs. And that OnePlus 6 suit Tom's need very well. To this day, he likes this phone. He was dealing with the issues, dealing with the issue of I gave him my A21 Samsung, and using my US Mobile line to at least get him a phone line working, and I made a call forwarding, turn that on. That was a struggle. And let me tell you how screwed up that phone was. I was trying to send a regular SMS text, and it would say waiting for connection. So I had to flip it to airplane mode, count up 2, and flip it back on, and the message eventually did come through. So yeah, what else is going on? I started seeing in Twitter and definitely YouTube the excitement for the Pixel 6a. Google is starting to kind of pump up the hype a little bit. July 21st, I believe, is the day. That, and for the headphones, the Pixel Buds, whatever they're calling them. I apologize. I'm not into them because guess what? They did themselves, for me personally, they did themselves a wrong. Because the Pixel Buds A are probably, for me, it's just for me, in my opinion here, probably the best buds to stick in your ear hole. I got other buds, I got other ones, and no, they fit and sound on point every time. So that's about it. Hopefully I'll be reporting back in my ventures of my car buying and anything else going on. Again, returning subscribers, by the way, thank you. I didn't say that in the beginning. Thank you always. You new, consider subscribing, seeing the channel and checking out my vlog. Consider subscribing, hitting that, both of you, hit the notification bell for all the new videos I drop. Again, I'm Mike Dixon. This is my channel. Enjoy your day and enjoy your tech. I'm out. Good.